Hi there, I'm Benji Tischer, and I'd like to introduce the idea of adaptive visuals in video games today. This thesis project touches on adaptive visuals in video games and how environments and design can change in response to a player's actions. To start off, adaptive design in video games refers to any design, be it sound, visual, or storytelling, that changes dependent on the player's actions. Visual adaptability falls under that umbrella, but it is more specific to visual elements such as environments, protagonists, and other in-game entities' appearance, or buildings and architectural elements. The concept of visual adaptability is not new. A few older studios have built games that have adaptive visuals at the core of their mechanics. Black and White 2, a game developed by Lionhead Studio in 2005, showcases how visual adaptability can be used in a way that offers different experiences to a player. The game offers to the player a city filled with citizens that will be used to take over the island it is located on, as well as subjugate the other cities that exist around. The player is given the choice to decide what kind of ruler they want to be through the actions taken in-game. C. Taking actions that are militarized or inflict pain or death upon your citizen will lead your empire to be considered on the evil spectrum. In opposition, granting citizens happiness and taking good actions, such as watering crops and not building an army, means your empire is considered good. Both gameplays are viable options, or even a mix of both can work out. But visually, the environments and designs will change to follow the alignment of the actions taken. From a concept artist's viewpoint, visual adaptability allows for the game to provide a more flourished and targeted story to individuals. Their in-game elements can adapt to a specific player style and offer an experience adjusted to what the player does. It creates an environment that caters to what the player wants, since it is derived from their own actions. The visual component being built to support this thesis is a full book containing a vast array of different concept art pieces, ranging from character design to prop design, from environments to monster creation, and more. The game, named The Cat's Path, tells the story of a scribe that enters the Citadel, a city mountain filled with cat-like people and creatures. The goal is to reach the top, in which a godlike being awaits whoever makes the climb. In this game, the actions taken by players will actively and sporadically change the environments and designs of the things in the game. For example, an armory is accessible to buy, sell, or trade weapons. If a player chooses to take pacifistic actions, then the armory, located on the side of the mountain, will fall, rendering it unusable. Weapons do not become prohibited to the player, but the readily available store disappears, letting the player know that the gameplay style they choose has consequences in-game. The idea behind making a concept art book for the project comes from the desire to make an impressive portfolio piece that can be sent to different video game studios and possibly extend to the animation industry. In the long term, I hope to make The Cat's Path a working game. For now, I am pleased with the achievement of creating a book containing the foundation of a great world and story.